I'm David Schwabel from the Department of Psychology at the University of Alabama at Birmingham. What I'm going to show you today is a virtual reality environment designed to teach and understand children's pedestrian safety. The environment was funded with monies from CDC and FHWA granted to the UAB Injury Control Research Center. The environment displays traffic at the site of a local school in our community. Children watch the traffic passing from both directions in an immersive manner. That is, they see the traffic actually crossing in front of them, they decide when it's safe to cross, and then they step down off a curb, which triggers the computer to show the child crossing the street. It then switches from first person to third person so children can see themselves cross and learn whether or not they were safe in the crossing.
Yes, you got it!
So the virtual environment is kept in a darkened room. Children are immersed into a virtual road within the dark room, but they do have some external stimuli so that the risk of motion sickness is reduced. There are black curtains around the tables and so forth to reduce any distraction. There's a camera placed above the monitors that's used to record the children's attention to traffic, for example, whether they're looking left or right.
Ready, begin.
Before the experiment, children are asked to walk down the hall several times. The distance they walk matches the distance across the crosswalk. This information is used to enter onto the virtual environment so that the character on the virtual environment walks at the same speed, the same distance as the children walked in the hallway.
Step down when you think it is safe.
When children begin in the virtual environment, the children watch traffic flowing at a speed and a volume that matches real-world measurements of the traffic at that road. When children feel it's safe to cross, they go ahead and step off the curb. The environment then switches from being a first-person immersive environment to a third-person environment. This allows the child to watch the avatar crossing and learn about the safety of the cross.
Yes, you got it!
A character then comes onto the screen, provides positive, negative, or cautionary feedback depending on the safety of the crossing.
Oh my gosh, I think you need to try that again.
We also can change the speed of the traffic, the volume of the traffic, and the types of vehicles that appear with just a few keystrokes.
Step down when you think it is safe.
These features offer tremendous opportunity for research and training purposes. As children cross the street, the computer records all of the actions that occur. This is important for research purposes because it allows us to understand when children cross, the size of the gap that children cross within, how close the traffic is when they start crossing as well as when they finish crossing, how long children hesitate before crossing, and so on. It's also important to record all actions for training purposes. This lets, for example, a teacher make the environment progressively harder as children develop greater skill. Pedestrian injuries are one of the leading killers of children in middle childhood. Virtual reality offers a real unique opportunity to study pedestrian injury without placing children at risk of an actual injury. We hope to use this environment for many years to understand and to prevent children's pedestrian injuries. Thank you.